This video is to show you how to use it in your Artlantis. Just a very short guide on how to use it. So this is all the Artlantis Studio external library you got yourself. We have 3D objects. You can actually click at this side to see the images very well. Yeah, not here, but here. These are 3D objects, different wonderful objects you can use for interiors and also exteriors design. We also have African people. You can actually make them visible when you actually use them in your Artlantis Studio. We also have all kinds of vehicles from cars. Just click at this image. Display items using large thumbnails. You can see different cars. Wow. BMW, Club Sport, Ford, Honda, Mercedes. Wow. Passat, Nissan, Mitsubishi. Very wonderful cars. Even Toyota Hilux, Toyota Cruiser. Wonderful cars. So we also have heavy vehicles of different sizes. You can see heavy vehicles, both trucks, Mercedes trucks, Volvo trucks, all type of trucks, even concept and demo trucks. We also have private vehicles also of different types, private vehicles. Some are modern, some are ancient. Depending on your design, you can be doing the ancient design, you can be doing the modern design. Just pick a car that suits your taste. So we also have public vehicles also, maybe buses. You can see public vehicles, even Boeing, even aircraft. So we have even yacht, even a lot of files you got yourself. Just like we have ARCHICAD external libraries that has a lot of these things. We also have Artlatis Studio external libraries. So this is also Artlatis Studio background. You can make use of this background if you choose not to use the Artlantis Studio background. You can make this to be your surrounding of your building. So these are things that you can use for your design. Also, we'll be showing you on how you can use them. We have bricks of different types and size. Wonderful, wonderful bricks to give your building the right aesthetics it deserves. Wonderful bricks. You can see this one also. Powerful packed just for you. Just for you. So you just got yourself a very wonderful course. A very, very wonderful course. This is a very wonderful file. External libraries for Artlantis Studio. We have construction materials. Name it, we have different materials, starting from carpets. You are seeing different materials you can use. We also have doors. Well, you can actually place these doors in your house. Like you can use this door, just carry it and place it. It will replace the other one, the Atlantis doors. We have famous objects, roofing tiles, a lot of things in this particular course you just got yourself to, down to trees and flowers. You have different types of trees and flowers. Look at birch flowers and birch trees. You can see them. Wonderful, 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 wonderful object, wonderful libraries. You can see different trees and flowers. You just got yourself down to this other one also. Wow, these things are really amazing. So right now, let's open an Atlantis Studio so I can show you how you can actually place these things and use them. So right now, I've opened an Atlantis Studio file. Open Atlantis Studio 5, as you can see. So right now I want to show you how you can make use of these tools. How you can make use of these tools, this flower, how you can place them in your designs. It's just very simple too, just like the way you placed both the internal libraries of Atlantis Studio. Remember that this particular files here are the materials that comes with Atlantis Studio. But the one you just got yourself are external libraries. Now, external libraries of Atlantis Studio are not installed into Artlantis. If you have bought one of ARCHICAD external libraries, you'll notice that we place the libraries of ARCHICAD into the ARCHICAD software, so they are part of the software. But for external libraries of Atlantis Studio, they are not installed into Atlantis Studio. They are not part of the software. We only bring them in when we want to design. So this particular files you are seeing here are just Atlantis Studio own files. It's the Atlantis Studio libraries that comes with the software. But the one you just got yourself right now are the external libraries that we're able to accumulate from different places and different platforms. And we're giving it to you, all of you, so they can actually use it for your designs. You can see this is just only one car that Atlantis Studio have. Now you have seen multiple cars, multiple vehicles, all kind of vehicles. So right now I want to show you how you can place them. You just have only about 5 to 6 flowers and trees. Now you've gotten yourself limitless flowers and trees in your design. So I want to show you how you can make use of them. Remember, I believe you already know how you can place this particular type. If you have not learned it, go and buy the course on Artlantis Studio Rendering. It's a wonderful course. We also taught how to actually place the external libraries, how you can make use of, how you can create wonderful designs. I can create wonderful designs. I've been taught in Artlantis Studio Rendering course. It is there in this platform. Go and buy it, learn, and be a pro. So right now, I want to teach you how you can make use of the external libraries you just bought. So looking at my surrounding now, this is my surrounding, yeah? So I want to make use of Artlantis external libraries. So I'll open it up just like this. Just bring it out like this. Just open it. Don't close your Artlantis. Just open it. So this is the external libraries of, you can see these are the external libraries I just got myself. We just opened it a few minutes ago. So these are the external libraries. Now I want to start with me placing a vehicle. I get to me. Just pick a car that I want, that I choose to use. Just pick a car. Just pick a car that you love to use in this design. Remember, you have to pick a very quality car now, a modern car. So maybe I'll pick this Mercedes M-Class or this Mercedes car. Yeah. You can look for others to use for your design. It's still your choice. So let me make use of this Mercedes I just saw. Let me make use of the black one. So I'll just pick it like this and place in the surrounding, because cars are meant to be in the surrounding. After placing it, if this thing pops out, just click on delete. Wonderful. The car is placed. The car has just placed. So you can open your 2D plan view to place the car, to rotate it, make sure that it's also an object. You have learned this thing in your Artlantis Studio Rendering. If you have not bought the course, you are missing a lot. So you just go and get yourself the course. So you can rotate it. So you can see we have placed a car successfully in our Artlantis, and this is from Artlantis external libraries. The external libraries we just got ourselves. Now this is it. Now this is where we place the car from. Now we can also adjust the car. If the car is too small in size or it's too big in size, you can see dimensions here. Make sure that it's an object and you see dimensions here. You can increase the size, and if the dimensions are changed, you cannot change them like this. You can change them too, but it's best if they are changed. This change means if you alter any figure in the X dimension, it will replicate themselves just as if they're in ratios, and that is what makes the car unique. They must be in ratio. The sizes, the height will complement the width will complement the length. So that's just what it is. So if you want to make this car maybe around 255 to also complement yourself, you can see you can place a lot of cars just in the same place. Process, just carry it and drop it there. That's just simple. Now let's place another object like ties. Let's place, or like bricks. Let's look for bricks. Now you can see bricks here. I will pick a brick. Let's place a brick around this area of the house. Just pick it. Just pick the brick. Are you getting me? And place it there. Now, after placing the brick, some of you must have learnt it when you bought that course at Artlantis Studio Rendering. If you have not bought the course, kindly go and get yourself that course now. Once you have placed the bricks, now the next thing you do is to come to where shaders. If you love, you don't edit it. If you love, you don't edit it. Just come to shaders. Come to shaders. Remember, you have placed this brick. Make sure that the bricks is what is touching. Come to shaders. You can see, you will not see the bricks here. Click on mix, come to dimension, and on the, so at the process of you owning this 4 box here, that is when the bricks will spread evenly to all areas of the material which you want to cover. Then you can increase the size of the bricks to be more visible. So that is it. Then change this projection to horizontal. After you have changed that to horizontal, your bricks is ready. You can see the bricks are already visible. This is now how you place bricks or some materials in Artlantis Studio. You remember, you start placing the bricks, you on this 4 box here, you click OK. Then you can actually increase the scale of the bricks. So the next thing I want to show you also in Artlantis Studio external libraries is, let me show you flowers. Remember, all these things are following the same process. Most of them are following the same process. Once you click on flowers, you pick a tree or a flower. Just carry it. Remember, flowers are placed in green areas. So they are being placed in green areas. So let me pick one of the red flowers here. Maybe place one here to complement the green flowers that are there already. So you see what I did? I come over here. I just drag it like this and place. I just as simple as that. I get to me. As simple as that. Just carry it like that and place. They can delete this thing. Yours might not be showing this. So you can see the flower has popped out. Now this flower is very tall in size. What am I going to do? Come to object. Remember, flower is an object. It was only bricks that took us to shaders. Remember, it was only these bricks that took us to shaders. Now flowers and cars are objects. So I'll come to object, and you see the flower showing here. Then I'll reduce the dimensions, maybe to 120, so that it can complement this particular purpose. So it will reflect on all sides. So you can see the flower now is reduced in size. So you can now use your 2D pan view, or 2D view. You can see the flower here. You can adjust it to where it suits your taste, to the position that you prefer it to be. Also, remember, you can use the alternate key also to duplicate as many as you want. It's still the same process. Because the alternate keys are to duplicate your cars, any object whatsoever. Duplicate the alternate key. So this is a wonderful package you got to yourself. Now they have 2 colors now, making it more beautiful. We have green and we have red. We also have many other colors too you can use. If you check over here, you can see a lot of colors. I see colors of flowers you can use, different colors. You are seeing this also. You are seeing purple, wonderful colors. You are seeing yellow flowers. So utilize all these tools and make your rendering top notch. So another thing also that I'd love to show you also is, let me check. Let me show you the surrounding. Let me show you the surrounding. Just everything just follow the same step. Everything follow the same step. Let me just show you the surrounding. The surrounding. So Atlantis background. So if I don't want to use this particular background, I can actually make it of Atlantis background. Just pick it and place it on the sky, like anywhere in the surrounding. Not touching any building or any element, just place it on the sky. So if I choose not to use, I get it. So now I've used this particular background. So you can see that the cloud changed. But I've ensured that you don't have fence. If I don't have fence in my design, I'll be seeing these trees, these flowers are there everywhere. But the particular trees and flowers actually prevent me from seeing them. And so that I just place it on the surrounding, the flowers and the trees will just pop out. Same thing for these. You can see when you place it on the sky also, you can see the trees. Are you seeing trees in the background? This one now much taller than the former one. So that's just how you can use other backgrounds. So I'll make it of Ctrl Z. Yeah. So that how you use other backgrounds. Remember to always save your work as you are rendering. Remember to always save your work. If you have not bought the Artlantis Studio rendering course, kindly get yourself that course. It is super amazing. Then that is just all for Artlantis external libraries. You can place people. You can place people in your design. You can place people in your design. Just pick them and place them in your design. So appear. Just pick them. This particular one that have .bb. If you are using African people file, pick this one that have .bb. 2 friends. I seen it. Just place it in the surrounding. And delete this thing also. You can see 2 friends have appeared. wonderful. So you can see people, you can actually adjust them also. I think they should be in object. You can see, you can adjust their brightness, their contrast, even their height. I get to me, you can adjust their height, make them more taller. I see they're very, very tall now, and it's not real. So they're not as tall like this. You can make them a little bit short. So that's just how it is. Place people in your designs. Remember to make use of the one with .bb, not this one with .tga. Not this particular one with .tga, one with .bb, the one you're going to make use of. So endeavor to explore this course. Endeavor to play this course is very, very wonderful. We also have interlocks. So if I choose not to use this particular PV material from Artlantis Studio, I can make use of interlocks. See how interlocks work, just like the one we have around us. So place them in your designs, adjust the size and everything. So I appreciate you on buying this course. Endeavor to share this course, share the link to other people to get it, and give us a review, a feedback on how amazing this course has really helped you. Across our social media handles, follow Artlatis Academy on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Thank you.